In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a password on your Shopify store. Putting your store behind a password is really useful if you're still working on your design, testing new features, or preparing for a big launch, and don't want visitors to see everything just yet. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, your store will be protected and only people with the password will be able to access it. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main backend area where you manage your products, orders, and settings. Once you're on the home page of your admin, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll find an option labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, it will expand to show more options directly underneath it. From the expanded list, select Preferences. This is where Shopify keeps a lot of your general store settings related to how your storefront behaves, including things like your homepage title, meta description, and most importantly for this video, your password protection settings. Inside the Preferences page, look near the top for a section called Password Protection. This is the area that controls whether your store is open to everyone or only to people who have a password. You'll see a toggle or switch on the right side of this section. To turn password protection on, click or tap that toggle so that it's enabled. Once password protection is enabled, new fields will appear for you to configure. You'll see a field where you can enter the password that visitors will need in order to access your store. Type in a password that's easy for you and your invited visitors to remember, but not so simple that anyone could guess it. You can share this password with collaborators, testers, or early customers as needed. Some themes also allow you to customize the message that appears on the password page. If you see that option, you can add a short note letting visitors know that the store is coming soon, under maintenance, or available only to selected customers. After you've entered your password and adjusted any message you want to show, make sure you save your changes. Look toward the top of the page for the Save button and click it. Shopify will confirm that your settings have been saved, and your storefront will now be locked behind the password you just set.